Bismillah. Our lesson today, how to change the subject. If we have equation like that one, y equal x plus 3, y equal x plus 3. Because y in one side, we can say that y is a subject, or y in terms of x, okay? Y in terms of x. If we need to change, can we change to make x in one side? Can we remove 3? Can we transpose 3 from this side to the other side?
Yes.
Yes, how to remove 3? Yes, Noor?
Sir, for this 3 will go to our side by negative. So
Yes,
minus 3.
good. So if we need to make x in one side, if we need to make x is the subject, so transpose 3 to the other side by negative. So now you have y minus 3 equal x. If x in one side, we can say that x is the subject, or x in terms of y. So now, for the first equation, y is the subject. For the second equation, x is the subject, because x in one side. Okay? Can we do the same for the second equation? Y equal x minus 5. I need to change to be x is the subject. Now y is the subject, because y in one side. Can we make x as a subject? Mariam?
The 5 will go there by positive.
Yes, negative 5 transpose negative 5 to the other side by positive. So y plus 5 equals x. Now x is the subject, or x in terms of y. So if you have plus, transpose to the other side by negative. If you have negative, will be positive. Now what about if we have y equal 4x? How to make x as a subject? Yes, Rafif?
So since here it's
Sorry?
multiplication.
Y equal, yes,
Since it's here multiplication, it goes to the other side by division.
by division. So,
Y over 4 equals.
good. So x equal, because 4 times x, so now x equal y divide 4. Or you can divide by 4, divide by 4. So x equal y over 4. Now x is the subject, because x in one side. Next one. So what about if we have yx over 7? Y equals x over 7. Yes, Hamza?
Okay, sir, so it's division, so it will go to the other side by multiplication. So y side equals
Yes, so 7y equal x. So x now is the subject, so x equal 7y squared. How to remove the square? How to remove the square? Yes, take square root for both. So now x equal square root y. X equal square root y. Yes. Square root x. How to remove the square root?
by square.
Squaring both sides. If you squaring both sides, so x equal y squared. X equal y squared. For this equation, y equal to x minus 1, we need to make x as the subject. We need to put x in one side. But we have two numbers, 2 multiply x and minus 1. So what should we do to make x as a subject? Yes, Wahla?
Negative 1 goes to the other side as positive, so it's y plus 1. And then we divide both, to get rid of 2, we divide both by 2. So it's y plus 1 over 2 equals x.
Yes, correct. So first, negative 1 transpose negative 1 to the other side by positive. So y plus 1 equals 2x. This is the first step. Now how to remove 2?
Divide both of
Divide both sides by 2. So x equals y plus 1 over 2. Good job. Y equal 5x minus 3. We need to make x as a subject. Yes, Salma?
The 3 is going to go to the other side as negative.
So y minus 3.
And then divide both by 5, both sides by 5.
Divide both sides by 5. So x equals?
Y minus 3 over 5.
Good job. So now x is the subject. Number 1, x equal y plus square root a. Make a is the subject of the formula. So I need a in one side. So I need to remove the square root and y from the side, because I need y in one side. Okay. Minna?
So x equals y plus a squared. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so So y, positive y is going to go to the other side, y negative.
Yes, so remove y first. So y transpose y to the other side by negative. So now you have x minus y equal root a.
Yes, so to take the square roots, we're going to
How to remove the square root?
we're going to square x minus y.
Square both sides. So now a equals, take care, bracket x minus y all squared, because we squared x minus y, the whole x minus y, the whole quantity. So you should put bracket and then square. So a equal x minus y all squared. Number 2, make q is a subject. B equal to q squared. Yes?
First of all, we divide the 2, multiply, divide b, so b over 2.
So divide by 2, divide by 2.
Yes. So b over 2 equal q square.
So b over 2 equal q squared.
So we make square root in both sides.
Yes, now take square root for both. So q equals,
Q equals square root b over 2.
now q is a subject. Good job. Okay. Make x is the subject of this formula. 2y equals 5x minus 7. Hamza, I need x as a subject. So I need to remove negative 7 and 5.
Yes, negative 7 will go to the other side by positive, so
Yes.
plus 7. Then we have to divide both sides
So
by 5.
2, wait 1 minute. So 2y plus 7
equals 5x.
equals 5x.
Then we divide both sides by 5.
Or 5 go to the other side by division. So x equals,
X equals 2y plus 7 over 5.
good job Hamza. So x equal to y plus 7 over 5. Now x is a subject. Understood?
Yes.
You cannot divide first. You cannot divide first. The number which is closer to x, keep it first. Then negative 7, go to the first by adding, then divide by 5. RB plus 5 equal 3b plus 8r. I need make b is the subject of the formula. Make b is a subject. How to make b is a subject? And we have two b's. First, put b in one side. Put b in one side. So, and all the terms contain b in one side, the other terms in the other side. So now rb minus 3b, because transpose 3b by negative, equals 8r minus 5. So what we did, all terms contains b in one side. Now because we have two b's, so you can factorize, you can take b common, you can take b common factor. So now you have b times what equal rb? B times r. B times what equal 3b? So now we factorize b. Take b common factor. So b into r minus 3 equals 8r minus 5. Next step, I need b is a subject. b multiplied by r minus 3. So r minus 3 go to the other side by division. So b equals 8r minus 5 over r minus 3. Now b is the subject. So if you have more than b, put b in one side and factorize b. Put b's, all b's in one side, all the term contains b in one side, then factorize b. Understood? Number 5, y equal ax squared plus b. Make x is a subject. How to make x is a subject? How to make x is a subject? What about the rest? Zalan?
So first remove b to the other side by negative.
So y
Y minus b equals ax squared.
equal ax squared.
Then we divide it by a.
Divide by a.
So it will be y minus b over a equals x squared.
So y minus b over a equal x squared.
And then to get rid of the square, we do square root.
To remove the square root for both. So x equal
Square root of y minus b over
y minus b over a. Number 6, y equal x square root x squared plus 1. Make x is a subject. Make x is a subject. Matab, I need x as a subject. Look for, you have x squared plus 1, then square root. Okay? How to make this equation? You squared the number, then add 1, then take square root. Am I right? So do the inverse operation. You started by squaring, then add 1, then square root. So remove the square root first. How to remove the square root? By squaring, by square both sides. So square both sides. So now you have y squared equal x squared plus 1. Okay? Now how to remove 1?
Other side.
Yes, transpose 1 to the other side or subtract 1 from both. So x squared equals y squared minus 1. The last step. How to remove the square? To remove the square, take the square root. Take the square root for both. So x equal square root y squared minus 1. Y squared minus 1. Okay? You can write positive or negative square root, because when you take square root, you should write positive name. Number 7, AB equal BX plus C. AB equal BX plus C. Write B in terms of A, C, and X. I need B is the subject. Write B in terms of A, C, and X. So it means I need B is the subject, but we have 2 B's. So what should we do? Yes, Wahla.
So put the right term together, so move px to the other side.
Yes, so AB to the other side.
And we come
So AB minus BX
equals c.
equals C.
And then we'll factorize p.
Yes, factorize B. So take B common.
P and a minus x
Good.
equals c. Or
Equals c. Then,
move a minus x to the other side.
yes, A minus X multiplies. You go to the other side by division. So B equal C
over a minus
over my, yes, good job. Good job, boy. So B equals C over A minus X. Number 8, W equal 1 over square root LC. Find W when L equal 8 times 10 power negative 3 and C equal 2 times 10 power negative 9. For A, just substitution. You can use calculator to find the answer. So W equal 1 over square root 8 times 10 to power negative 3 times 2 into 10 power negative 9. So you can find the answer.
That's 6.25 times 10 to the
So the answer 250,000, which is 2.5 times 10 power what?
5.
Times 10 power 5. Okay? How to make C is the subject? How to make C is the subject? Yes, Dalan?
Okay, so first we'll get rid of the 1 on top.
So you mean this W over 1 and cross multiply or what?
No, sorry. To get rid of the 1 on top in that side. So there's 1 over square root of LC, right? So to get rid of the 1, we move it to the other side.
Oh, yes. You can switch between W and square root. You mean that?
Yeah.
So square root LC equal 1 over W.
Then, sir, we can get rid of the square root by squaring it.
Then you can square both. So LC equal
So square 1 over W squared.
1 over W square
And then divided by L
divided by L. So C
equals 1 over W squared over L.
1 over W squared L. Yes, correct. Or you can solve by a different way. We have W equal 1 over square root LC. You can square both sides. So W squared equals 1 over LC. Am I right? W squared equal 1 over LC. Now you can multiply by LC. So W squared LC equals 1. LC go to the other side, multiply. Then if I need C is the subject, so W squared L go to the other side by division. So 1 over W squared L. So same answer. So we can square both sides. Then LC go to the other side, multiply. Then if I need C as a subject, so divide by W squared L. Yes, Salma?
So first we're gonna move the 2 by with negative 2, so it's gonna be
No,
1
no,
multiplied
because
y.
we have fraction, you cannot transpose 2 to the other side by negative.
Isn't it gonna be y multiplied negative 2?
Y multiply?
Negative 2.
No.
So,
Yes.
so we can switch y and x minus 4
What is the benefit if you switch y and x minus 4?
and move x plus 2 away.
You can, look, x minus 4 can go to the other side, multiply. Am I right? So now y into x minus 4, because I don't need fraction, is equal x plus 2. So this like multiply x minus 4 for both sides. So x minus 4 to the other side, multiply. Now expand this bracket. Y times x, y times negative 4, negative 4y equal x plus 2. I need x as the subject. So all terms contain x in one side. Yes. So then factorize. So yx minus x. What about negative 4y? The other side by positive. So 4y plus 2. So all terms contain x in one side. Now factorize x. So take x common. Then x into, remember that you have one, this invisible one. Okay? We have one here. So we can write now. So if we take x common, now you have y minus 1, not y. You cannot make it 0. So y minus 1, because we have 1. Okay? Equals 4y plus 2. Now to make x as a subject, divide by y minus 1. So x equals 4y plus 2 over y minus 1. 4y plus 2 over y minus 1. Malak, can you try? I need y as a subject.
Okay, 2y squared equal 4.
So keep 2y squared in this side. So x squared go to the other side
Yes.
by negative. So h squared minus x squared.
Yes. And then to remove the 2 from y.
Yes, so to remove 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. So y squared equal h squared minus x squared over 2. Then how to remove the square?
Square root.
Square root. So you can solve. H squared minus x squared over 2. Yes, this is the answer. Harun? Number 11. M equal 2b plus square root x over y. Make x as a subject. The term which contains x, keep that term. So how to remove 2b?
So we move 2p to the other side by negative.
So m minus 2b equals square root
X.
x over y.
Then
How to remove the square?
To remove
Square
the
root.
Square root, we square the other side.
Square both sides, so x over y equal m minus 2b all squared.
Yes. Then we move y to the other side by multiplication.
Yes, good. So y equal x equal y into
brackets
m minus 2b all squared. Correct. Good job. So this number 11. Number 12, make h as a subject. 2mh equal g into 1 minus h.
Okay, so we substitute things like g, like we expand the bracket.
Yes, so 2mh equal
G
g into 1 is g.
minus gh.
Yes. Then
And then we move gh, the the
Yes.
other side by positive
Good. So 2mh
plus GH equals
plus gh equals g. Okay.
and then we factorize H.
Yes. So h.
So H, open brackets, 2m plus G
Yes.
equal G. And
Then
we move 2m plus G to the other side by division, and then it's H equals to G over 2m plus G.
good job, Rahma. Good job. So this h in terms of m and g.
We're gonna multiply 1 minus x, the other side.
Good job. So y into
Y
1.
brackets 1 minus x, so y minus xy.
Yes. So y times 1.
Y minus xy.
Y minus yx or
Minus
xy
y
equals 3x minus 2.
3x minus 2. So 3x is gonna go to the other side.
I need x is a subject, so put x in one side.
3x minus y, minus 3x minus yx.
You can put x in that side. No, you have a choice. So 3x
Plus yx equal
y plus 2.
1 plus 2. So
Now factorize x.
x brackets y, 3 plus y,
Yes.
y plus 2. So y plus 2 over 3 plus y is equal to x.
So y plus 2 over 3 over 3 plus y.